vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken.
Kasi this is so awkward kasi madalas akong nag-voice over lang sa mga contents ko. So dito tayo. Pinatutulog. Look. So it feels so great na matitreat ko sila. Welcome to Singapore. Wow. Ay. Nice kailang airport, no? Need nyo mag-submit ng arrival card. Singapore arrival card. Just search Singapore ICA sa Google for you to submit your application. So, pupunta muna kami sa Terminal 2. First impression of Singapore so far. First impression, expression. Okay, tayo. Okay. Oh, ikaw. Okay na to. Yung ano pala, malaking LED. Nasa second floor pa rin sa sa Terminal 2. Papakita ko sa inyo, kaya kailangan nyo ring puntahan to. We're currently here at Texas Chicken. You accept card? Only cash? But card there. Okay. Filters. Anong gusto nila? Para matilawan nila. And then chicken. Burger. Burger, guys. Pili. Okay. 49 SGD. Actually, allergic din ako sa chicken, but it's okay. Got our food. Hey. This is 2,100. Sabi ko, sabihin mo, can we take this out? Wow, sumakses. Napa-English. Binigyan niya siya ng script. Sabi ko, can we take this out? Sumakses. Mister. Ang nanood siya lang ng mga kasama ko. So, bababa kami and the struggle is real kasi yung check-in namin, oh my God. So, if andito kayo na part, guys, and you're looking for the train going to your hotels outside, from the airport, here, makikita nyo to, di ba? And dito, nakikita nyo, Crown Plaza, mayroong escalator dito. Dito kayo bababa. Okay. Hey, what's up? Hey, gang. Okay, so for some reason, papasok na ako sa train. Hindi tinanggap yung BPI ko. And yung kapatid ko rin, yung BDO niya, hindi tinanggap. Buti na lang, dala ko yung dalawang GoTime card ko. And it worked for both of them. So I'm just gonna buy, kung hindi gumagana yung card, merong easy link dito, $10. Actually, first nila maka-try ng train. Oh. You guys are in Singapore, are you happy? You're not happy, why? Wait, sakalin kita. Are you happy? Are you happy? Super happy. Go. Grabe, gusto pa nang matulog. Feeling ko tumatanda na yata ako. Malapit ang mag-30 eh. Hi, Thank you. What's your name?
Cynthia.
Cynthia. Hi. Can you say hi?
Oh, hello.
Okay, so pupunta na kami sa room. Okay, this is our room. Oh, it's huge! Wow! Oh my god, it's so cute! Guys, it's such a nice hotel, guys. So we booked this hotel via Klook. Just search Novotel Singapore on Kitchener. Ang ganda! Ito pa yung nila, toilet and bath nila, oh. Diba? It's super nice, especially if you're traveling with your family. Na parang you want to make things so special for them. Book this via Klook. You can use my code JVWonder19 Klook for you to get 5% discount, alright? So, tapos ko lang maligo. Yay! Wow, guys, this hotel is so good. The room starts at around 8,000. Pero this room, the room that I got, costs 13,000 per night. Pag hindi ako nakashave, legit na para akong tatay. Wala ako shave. Aray! Ang init na naman. Mukha akong bata. Nasugatan ako. Oh my God! Susumbong kita kay mama. Mama! But still, moisturizer. I only have like I think around 2 pants and then mga polo ko. Ang rami kong trips. Guys, imagine for July, the month of July, I think there's only 5 days na magstay ako sa condo. The rest, I'll be traveling. Internationally, both internationally and locally. Ang ganda ng room namin. Oh my God. Tulog na tulog si Bunso. Wow! Ligo na ikaw, Gab. Then mag-shave ka ha. Meron pala akong maintenance, guys. I am hypertensive. Kumain ako ng maraming chicken and here, look. I also bought my watch. The most expensive watch I had back when I was still in college. Yung wala pa talagang pera. Nasa 150 pesos, guys. Wala ko nito. Tapos, ubos na. Wala na ang battery. Ang init, guys. Sa Bugis Street kami. Yung kapatid ko gusto niya mag-thrift. So, we're looking for like a thrift store. Sabi ng babae, sa second floor yung panglalaki. Kaya, dito kami. Press. Bumaba kami kasi ang mahal. First visit ko sa Singapore, ito yung binili ko. So, naiwan ng kapatid ko yung GoTime card ko. Hi, EasyLink please. Please, sorry. Yes. Tingnan ko nga. EasyLink please. Excuse me, do you know the nearest toilet here? Inside here, level 2. Thank you. When you're traveling to a different country, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of walk. Ito ki, toilet. Di na kaya. I need to sit. Grabe yung walk natin. Guys, mabuti kasi yung taga-bantay, Pinoy. So, nakalibre ako isang pants na worth 15 SGD. Ooh. Diba I told you, masarap yan guys. Masarap yung food nila. Hot plate chicken set. We paid only 19 SGD. Dito kami ngayon sa Puma and they have an ongoing promo na buy 2, get 2 or buy 4, get 5. Ang ganda ng deal, tapos wow. So they got 9 shoes. Good Good morning! So, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Prepare na kami. We're going to Universal Studios. Alam mo ba bakit ako nagising ng maaga? Nanaginip ako. Naiwan ko daw somewhere yung phone ko. Yung phone ko, kakabili ko lang. Oh my God. Tapos, binalikin ko siya. And hindi raw siya kinuha ng tao kasi nasa Singapore daw ako. Ganun pala yun. Apply na ako ng setting spray. Good morning.
I turn too good to be true was the way you made me feel.
So we are having breakfast. Breakfast is included already. So this is such a beautiful restaurant. Ito lang yan sa hotel. It's so good. Here's what they got. Naman sa akin. Kuya. Kain na kayo. We're going to Universal Studios. Video. Kagandahan sa hotel namin. Like, right in front of it, there's City Square Mall. So, and on top of that, quick walk lang, MRT station na. Ang galing-galing. So, doon kami. And then there's the mall. And then there's the MRT. Nabusan siya ng load. So, magpapaload kami. So, ang gagawin namin, magpapaload kami using the cash na na-withdraw namin. So, okay, lagay mo dyan. Cash, no, cash. No, cash. Oh, now, insert. Okay, tapos insert pa another. And then, ano lang, no? Very convenient. I love you. I love you. Going to Universal Studios. Dito na kami. Welcome to Universal Studios at Sentosa. Guys, ang ganda dito. First ano pa lang, oh. May nagkahilikan sa loob. So, nagreklamo yung bunso. Sabi niya, ang baho daw. Oh! Papatayin ko siya kasi bawal yung phone, okay? Wow! Gusto niya daw sumakay ng roller coaster. Ayan, oh. I just can't. Pangit pa na diha. Wow! Nakakatakot. Tingnan niyo. We're front again. Front. Oh my God, this ride, guys. How is it? Look kayo. Look naman. Oh my gosh, oh my God. Wow! Wow! Oh my God. Oh, galit si ate. Hey! Ganda na. Oh, ganito siya. Oh my gosh! Wala naman sila. Okay. Okay, dito kami lunch sa my Jurassic Park. And then, I ordered one curry with rice and ano to? Satay? Chicken satay. And then also got fried chicken. And then, dalawang drinks. So all in all, 60 SGD yung bayaran ko dito. Oh, the dinosaur! Tapos na kami kumain. We'll ride the shotgun. Kita ko.
Okay?
Okay guys, bawal yung camera. So, now we're watching Shrek. This one is a Shrek movie. So we'll try.
Stationary seat, which is located in the
Okay, so parang may
If
play.
you wish
Ano siya, 3D movie. It's cool, it's cool. Sakit-sakit na ng mga pako. Look.
But you don't even know my name. But that's okay, I can't blame you. You've got better things to worry about, like kissing strangers when you go out, spending time with all your friends.
How much is it?
Free.
It's free?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I get 10.
10% for all.
Okay, cool. What was
Your
that?
socks correct size, no refund exchange to you.
Yes. So we got a 10% discount because we signed up as a member. Total is 94 and 15 Singaporean dollars.
Somebody else, I would be your Romeo. And I
Nakauwi na kami. Dapat maligo na kami ng pool. Pero we found out na meron palang laundry area. Pero kailangan coins and wala na kami cash.
one too many and strobing lights, yet I can spot you in this crowd.
Maliligo ako. Napaka ginaw.
What if I gathered all my confidence? Could I walk right up to you, be the stranger you've been?
Ay, Haji. Actually, 30 off. Ang dalawang kapatid, di pa bumababa. So guys, alis na kami. We'll be transferring to another hotel. Pero ganito yung itsura ng room namin. Paalis na kami. Naglinis kami konti. Ay, actually, this is our hotel room. Wow. Ah. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, automatic pala. So we're going to our next hotel. It's Hotel Calmo. Sa magbandang Bugis lang siya. Yung check-in time is 3 pa lang. So, baka pwedeng mag-early check-in kami. So, I'll just ask the hotel. Yeah. Is it okay if I'll just withdraw? Can I just walk a little bit? Is it okay? Okay. Yung pinaka-importante talaga when you're traveling abroad, especially if you're doing things DIY, is to know how to ask. No. There's ATM. Hi, do you know where's the nearest ATM machine?
Chinese.
Oh, Chinese. ATM, withdraw? Yeah. Here? It's okay. Yeah, see you. Hi, do you know any ATM machine near here?
ATM
Yeah.
machine, I think inside shopping mall, I think.
Okay.
Straight.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Hi. Alright. Martin. Here. Martin. Hi, excuse me. MRT? There? Oh my god. MRT. Hi, excuse me. MRT? Pinoy ka. Saan? May alam kang malapit na ATM dito?
ATM. The near ATM.
Or sabi ATM ba? May ATM. Hold on. Thank you. Oh my god. Guys. ATM. ATM. Oh my god. ATM. Where's the ATM machine? Hi, ATM?
ATM, go straight right to the end.
Thank you. Thank you. Tapos imagine, babalik pa ako. Hala. Ganti. Okay, I got it. 40. Hold on. Hi, I'm very sorry. Here's $20. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. 9. It's okay. Here's the hotel. Hotel Calmo. Diyos ko. Grabe. So we booked via Clock. Hi, thank you. Let's eat. So here's our wow. Tingnan nyo guys, so the name of the store is Fat Bird. It's yummy, especially the stir fry. Ang sarap. You still have the change ba? We are going to our room. Okay, so there's a deposit for this hotel. 100 Singaporean dollars. Okay, here's the hotel. Here's the room, guys. It's not big, but pretty decent. Sobrang init. Legit guys, I swear. Like, nagreklamo na si iPhone. Sabi niya, iPhone needs to cool down. So, mag-check na naman kami ng another thrift store. Okay. Yung bunso, naghahanap pa siya ng thrift store. Nandito kasi kami ngayon sa Haji Lane. Tapos, medyo pricey yung mga gamit talaga. So next is we're going here, Aperia Mall. Oh my God! Grabing ukay to guys. Diyos ko! $1, $50, 3 for $1. So they are open every Sunday only guys. 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Got 2 Uniqlos for $2. We're going back. Wow.
I bet you don't even know my name, but that's okay, I can't blame you. You've got better things to worry about. Kissing strangers when you go out, spending time with all your friends. Wish I had the guts to ask you out sometime.
Actually sumakay ako ng bus and hindi ko alam kung saan siya pupunta. Bumaba lang ako. Nung na-feel ko na okay, gusto kong bumaba. And naglakad-lakad na lang ako. Ay, ang sarap sa feeling. Alam mo yung walang nakakakilala sa'yo. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Lynn. Bye, Mike. Bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh my God. What? Naglakad lang ako. Balik. Oh my God.
Maybe I could be your only stranger. Maybe I could be your stranger. Oh, come on, man, I know you can do it. Stop staring in the mirror. You act like a
So, kakagising ko lang. Ganda yung hamok ko. Bamboo! Oh my God! Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright. Okay. Hi. We have a reservation for, how do you say it? Hotel travel team? Travel time. Travel team. Okay. Travel team. Woohoo! Ano? Hi. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. May fresh fruits sila, guys. Wow. Yes, oh. Naka-right. Good bang ba?
Yan na rin utangan og sad music din.
Ikaw ano? Ilo ko trip. Oo. Ano, last like cashier. Ano ba yan? Ikaw, keep to be. We got, tada! Alright guys, kakain na kami. So we got some prawns and squid. Sobrang squid. Tapos na kami, so punta kami sa MRT.
In the depths of silence, where echoes remain, you were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you go.
At least mawan kag mga inspiration sa imong mga designs. Panel board? Wow. Oh, di ba? Wala lagi. Wow. 1 to 50. 1 week. 1 week? Wow. Whoa. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Kanindot. Oh my God. Wow.
Then faded away. You were the summer, I was that same old shit in me. Now you go, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing my mind. Now you go. Why did you call me up?
Ay, pinay pala si ate. Ate, sorry. Cut fruit pala. Kanang watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon lang. Ang check ko lang. Kaya? Kaya? I think we need kaya toast. Okay, go. Red. Red. Oh my God! 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 Oh. Nice. Ginamos! 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 Hilang init kay Pilipinas. So guys, andito kami sa Marina Bay Sands. Yung kapatid ko tumingin sa isang store kanina. May napusuan siyang t-shirt. Magkano? 490 SGD. So that's around 21,000 something. What? Ang init guys. Tapos itong Apple Store, yung Louis Vuitton's store, the first, I think the first and only Louis Vuitton, floating Louis Vuitton store in the world. And ito, here's the Apple Store, floating Apple Store. Nakikita niyo yan dito. Dito lang yan sa bandang Marina Bay Sands. Okay, tara. Connected yun, Marina Bay Sands, tapos Helix Bridge, tapos walk lang kayo ng walk papunta dun sa Merlion Park. Kapagod lang talaga. Ay, salamat. Ay. Wow. Ano muna tayo? Wow. Oo. Dito muna tayo. Ang ganda. Stop. Oh, ano? Wow. Oh, dato. Kanay ko. Chili man. Daman ako. Feel na feel ang moment. Wait lang. Ayan pagkuhan ko. Oh my gosh! Wait lang! Oh my gosh! Asa na? Oh my gosh! Where? Nawala. Ay! Nasa to siya. Sea lion?
Otter.
Wala tala. Oh my god! Ah! Alright guys, papunta na kami sa Merlion Park. So, I think this is the best part. Gusto nyong makakuha na magandang spot sa Marina Bay Sands. And, so, yan yung Merlion Park. So, dito may bridge. Ito. Ganda, and then you'll see flowers there. Flowers, wow. And then look at, ang ganda ng building. Ang ganda. Wow. Medyo busy lang talaga siya, pero ang ganda, ang ganda. Look. Look. Wow. 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 Ang ganda, no? Wow. Kain na naman solar. Lamig.
Hello, egg nino. Tagay ko. Egg.
No.
Gawa man yung girder, dapat doon ka set.
Dede. No. Pwede naman nga. Hindi na ka mag-add. Na-sticker man isa parati. We're waiting for the fountain show that will start 8 p.m. Yun yung sabi ni ChatGPT. Pero ang ganda, oh. Yung water show pala guys is mas better kung andun ka sa harap mismo ng Marina Bay Sands. Kasi kung dito ka lang sa Merlion Park, hindi. Wala kang maano. Ito lang makikita mo. So, wow, ang ganda sana dun. Okay guys, so pauwi na kami. Okay. Guys, ang ganda ng ano, the Fullerton Hotel. Ha? Look, faster! 23, 22. 18, 17. Wala kang kidding. Ganda naman ng hotel, loko. Ba, ang ganda. OMG. Umiihi muna si Bunso. Hindi ko na kinakaya, kaya upo tayo dito. Oh my God. 7-Eleven kami, tapos nakahanap ako ng noodles. So, ano lang pa? Oh my God! Marina Bay! Marina Bay! Look! Ha? Tapos dyan tayo kanina? Mag-grab tayo, guys. Oh my God! Uy, si ChatGPT nagloloko. O baka mali yung ano natin.
Oh, nakagtatabas yung mali.
Wait lang. Sabi? So this one is Lavender Centenary. Okay. Galit na si Kuya. Kasi kulang yung cash namin. Sabi ko magana kami ng withdraw kami ng ATM. Is importante yung kakauwi tayo. I will just add a little, okay? But I'll be back. You guys stay. Asa dapit ang kuwan? Another run. Si Kuya, galit na siya. Kasi wala akong cash. Naubusan ako ng cash. Oh my God! Ay, napakatakbo. Got $20. $20, guys. Oh my God. Hi, thank you so much. $20, that's it. Thank you. Dinner. May nakita na yung Pinoy restaurant.
Pinoy restaurant?
Pinoy. Wow! Lahat $50.
Yung Pinay ka dahil. Yan nga, di ko experience.
Okay. Kain na kami. Pagod na. Yeah. Bye.
Somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade.
Good morning. I think it's 8 a.m. already. Good morning. Guys, naligo pala ako. So, ito yung pool nila. Ang amazing. Ang ganda ng location ng pool. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Wow! Ang ganda. Hindi ko na sinama yung kapatid ko kasi parang pagod sila. Ako nandito. Okay. And you'll also have a view of the look at the buildings here. Ma-amaze kayo. Wow! Tingnan nyo. Oh? Andiyan lang pala yung... Mag-breakfast na kami. Nasa second floor siya, so bababa kami.
聽日試下食個早餐，有啲叫咩？有啲特色。
Pagkita ko lang sa inyo ano nila for breakfast. Wala silang rice. So, ito. Siya, carrot cake, scrambled egg, Mexican boiled egg, bacon wedges, chicken ham, pork bacon, chicken sausage, waffles with egg, and then you can also do fresh salad, and then some Indian stuff. Asian delight needs some. Ooh, okay. And then you have some croissant, and then yeah, you can make your own salad. Meron tayong cereal flakes. Tapos na kami kumain. Guys, may trivia ako. Pagkatapos kong mag-eat, kumain, dinner, lunch, breakfast man yan.
Nakikit din.
Na pupup ako. Anyway. Dili. Hi, excuse me. Do you know where's Bugis MRT? Or like the nearest MRT? The nearest.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bus 100. Nice. Ganda din yan.
Bago lang sa gabi.
Ano yan?
First time daw niya.
Dire? Ah, okay. Oh, really?
Hi.
You're from Morocco? Oh, nice. Here, I think we're here. Wow. Guys, andito na kami sa sobrang hilig ko Milo. Like, inuulam ko yung Milo na powder. Look. Shit. Oh. Daniel Padilla. So, we're going to Waterway. Sabi ng mga bata. Tanong ko yung kanina. Dito. Waterway. Ang init. So, inside Waterway. Inside? Dun siya. Okay. Ang init, guys. Hulo! Oh. Kuha na siya, Marag Airbase. Ang... Ano na? Tara! Ah, dili uy. Na, dapat niya na CCTV wala. Wow. Oh my god. Umo. Wow. Guys, ang sarap na feeling mag-bike sa Singapore. Wow. Yan naman. Ha? Dire? Okay. Dito daw ako, sabi ng mga kapatid ko. Yay! Jalot tayo. Wow! Ang sarap sa feeling naman dito. Eh. Wala. Here. Ah. Ang sarap mag-bike dito. Ah. Ano yun? Wow, ang sarap. Ang ganda. Oh my God! Ang ganda, guys! Ang ganda! Look! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Wait! Going up. Let's go. Likod.
Basa yan?
Hindi man.
Sige, dali.
Basa gid. Ano man nagbasa imong kuan sa bike? Okay. Nasa Jollibee kami. Kasi kanya ko naghanap. Walang tumatanggap ng card dito. Ewan ko. Siguro dahil nasa malayong part siya ng like Singapore Center. Wow! Guys, ang ganda dito. Oh my God, grabe! Sobrang init sa labas, nakakapagod, nakatulog ako sa tren. Grabe, tapos... Ano yun? Time for... Kapatid kong isa, yung bunso. Sabi niya, malapit lang, so bakit pa magbabas? Oh my God. Okay. Ay, salamat. Our room is 1019-1019. Ay. Grabe. Parang gusto kong maligo ng ice. Ganun. Anyway, so, pumunta kami Haji Lane at Arab Street. Bibili ng extra luggage kasi. Di ba, bumili nga ng 9 shoes yung mga kapatid ko. I mean, gift ko sa kanila. So they got 9 shoes and nag-thrift store din yung kapatid ko. So maraming nabiling damit. Nag-H&M din. Tapos, so magpapa-laundry kami. And I also need to get some cash. So that's why I need to buy an extra luggage. Bumili na ako ng extra 20 kg baggage. Online lang, mas better online. It's 1,200 pesos if you're flying via Cebu Pacific. 20 kg na yun. And parang uulan siya. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Anyways, sige. So, andito ako. By the way, sinuot ko ulit kasi wala na kaming
can take out one of the thing. Take out one of the what?
Wala na kami masusuot. Pero, andito kami. Bumili ako ng suitcase. It's this. The suitcase. Tada! It's $50. Wala na akong choice kasi wala na kaming paglalagyan kasi ang rami nilang shoes, diba? So, yun. Yun. Kasi alis kami bukas mga 7. Okay guys, dito yung Arab Street banda. Ito yung may malaking mosque. Ito yung Arab Street. Tapos doon banda is the Haji Lane. So dito muna tayo sa Arab Street kasi maraming mga souvenirs na pwedeng mabili dito. Dito kaya kasi last time yung first na visit ko here, dito yung nakita ko ng maraming mga souvenirs na so lang. Hindi super mahal. Pakita ko. Good morning. Today is our last day here in Singapore. Time check, it's 7:18 in the morning. And it's so medyo madilim pa siya. Gilamos na ako. Kinakaligo na mahaba ako. Hala! Grabe! Ang pula. Nakatulog kasi ako ganito. Anyway, bye-bye. Guys, ito lang yung sa akin. Magmamadali kasi kami. Our goal is to stay here 20 minutes. Then we can leave. Okay. Water. There's water. Water. Sakit na. Ay, actually better na yung pakiramdam ko sa taon ko kasi nakapag ako salon pas apple juice ito. So yung nila, yung food nila kinda the same sa kahapon. Lang, may nadagdag lang and the best thing nadagdag.